Sunday, June 22nd, car show. Today, St. Helens. If we have time, there's another one over in East Portland. And then down at Clackamas Park, there'll be a orphans car show. A show for cars that aren't made anymore. Well, it's a nice little 25-mile drive to find that it's not a very big car show today. 1936 Chevrolet fire truck converted by a company called Howe. Well, we've been misled now about 3 car shows in a row, but we have about 30 cars here, something like that. Well, this sort of makes up for it.
Hey, Terry. Hey, how you guys doing? Good. Where's your truck, man? Oh, it's up on the street. You're not going to put it in?
Paint called Brandy. And right next to it, a nice looking little 40 coupe.
I'll have to look and see if I can make it. They have a big one.
Yeah, there's always a few people having a good time at the car shows. El Dorado. Really nice lines on that car. Well, this is the third car show in a row that just hasn't been a very big turnout. Maybe I'm just picking the wrong one to go to, but well, we'll turn around and head back to Portland and see what's happening at the next event. Well, I am batting 0. This is a car show. 10 cars? I don't know. A year ago, I went to 33 car shows, 2012. And June was filled with them. I don't know what's happened, but they're not having them this year. Yeah, maybe I'm just a little on the early side, who knows. But no crowd, that's for sure. There's a cute little buggy. A very Spartan interior. Interesting bunch of gadgetry here. Yeah, always have good sound. Purple Nights. Yeah, here's something cute.